When you're creating and modifying web pages, you can use any professional HTML editor. But when you're learning HTML, you should start with a simple text editor like Notepad on PCs or TextEdit on Macs. It's better to start simple before jumping into the deep end. Here are 4 steps to create your first web page. Step 1. Open Notepad or TextEdit. In this video, we will use Notepad. Now it's time for Step 2. Write some HTML. Stretch your fingers and then either write or copy some HTML into Notepad. Then comes Step 3. Save your work as an HTML page. Look at you, moving along so fast. To save it, select File and then Save As. Name the file index.html and set the encoding to UTF-8. which is the preferred encoding for all HTML files. HTML files can have HTML or just HTM as file extension. And finally, we reach Step 4. View the HTML page in a browser. Open the saved HTML file in your favorite browser. The result should look like this. And just like that, you've created your first HTML page. You should feel very proud.